You don't have to be a genius to have a healthy savings, but you do have to make smart decisions. Your first decision should be prioritizing saving money so it becomes a regular part of your financial routine. After that, you should avoid wasting money on unnecessary purchases and put any extra cash into your savings accounts. Once you've ticked those boxes, it's time to take it to the next level. Here are some genius things people with healthy savings do. 1. They grow their savings. If there's one thing financially savvy people all have in common, it's that they know the importance of making sure their money is working for them. The easiest way to do that is to make sure you keep your savings in an account that pays competitive interest rates. The number to keep an eye on here is the annual percentage yield, or AP, which calculates the amount of interest earned over 1 year. The average US savings account AP was 0.46% as of April 15, 2024, according to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. FDIC. But you should aim a lot higher than that. A high AP, combined with its compounding interest, can help boost your savings. With Betterment's cash reserve, a high-yield cash account, new customers get up to 5.50% variable AP with a qualifying deposit for 3 months, with a 5.00% base rate afterward. That's more than 11x times the national average asterisk. 2. They set up automatic transfers. Saving money should be a financial habit you don't even have to think about, just like paying a bill or depositing your paycheck. One way to ensure you stick to the savings habit is to set up automatic transfers into your high-yield account. This relieves you of having to make the transfer manually, while also guaranteeing that your savings balance grows on a regular basis. The most common transfer frequency is once a month, but you don't have to stick to that. You could do it weekly if you can afford it, which will grow your savings even faster. Or, if you want to start out slower, set up an automatic transfer once a quarter. The important thing is that you establish an automated savings plan to ensure your wealth continues to grow. 3. They establish savings goals. If you're like most people, you have multiple savings goals based on factors such as your age, family situation, and income level. When you are just starting out as an adult, you should prioritize building an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. After that, here are some other common savings goals. A down payment on a home. A college fund for you kids. A dream vacation. A second or third car. Retirement savings. Make your money work for you. Get the latest news on investing, money, and more with our free newsletter. For each savings goal, determine how much money you'll need and when you'll need it. From there, you can set aside funds every month for individual categories. A smart strategy is to set up a different savings account for each goal, which makes it easier to track your progress. 4. They avoid fees. The last thing you want from a savings account is a monthly service or maintenance fee that offsets the interest you earn. If the point of a savings account is to grow your wealth, then it doesn't make sense to pay monthly maintenance fees that reduce your wealth. Many banks and credit unions waive these fees if you meet certain requirements, such as maintaining a minimum balance. But even that places restrictions on the account. Smart people look for accounts where you pay 0 monthly maintenance fees no matter your balance. 5. They max out their retirement savings. If you are not currently maxing out your retirement savings each year, now is a good time to start, if you can afford to do so. In 2024, the contribution limit for employees who participate in traditional 401k plans is $23,000 a year if you're younger than 50. If you are 50 or older, the catch-up contribution is $7,500. And the limit for IRAs is $7,000 for those under age 50, and $8,000 for those age 50 or older. It's especially important to contribute enough to earn your employer match, if they offer one, because those matches amount to free money. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe by pressing button below.